Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we have the final look of the office wear series. So in case if you are new here, my name is Nehat and I do a lot of fashion and get ready with me and styling videos. So currently I'm doing a get ready for work, which is office wear series, and I've done 9 looks previously and this is the final one, which is a 10th one. And for today's outfit, I have this particular top. So it's high neck and it's got this frills. Okay, so this is the top that I'm wearing, and to go with it, I have these jeans. So it's kind of baggy, but then it cinches at the bottom, and then it's got this stripe pattern. So these are the jeans. This is actually from the H&M into Lee collection, which came in quite a while back, and then I had purchased this back then. But it's in a pretty decent condition still, and I can still wear this. So I'll be pairing it with this. And as for the top, I think this can very well go for the office wear because it's got high neck and this frills and it's got this pleated pattern throughout. So let me just quickly put this on and then we'll accessorize this look to see how this turns out to be. I'll see you right back. So here I am with this outfit on. That's how the top looks. And for the bottom, those are the jeans. And that's how flowy the top is. So now that the outfit is on, let's just go ahead and accessorize it. So for the accessories, I have some pretty cool stuff. To begin with, I have these earrings. Just because I feel that there's black here, I think this would look good. Also, I'm not going to be wearing any necklace with this because it's high neck and this already has this frills and stuff around the neck. So I think I'll be skipping the necklace, which is why I'm keeping the earring a bit big. So yeah, those are the earrings on. Up next, I have this bracelet. I am pairing this watch because it just matches the earring in the black. So that's the watch. And then finally, I have a bunch of rings. Okay, as you can see, this is like silver and black. Oops. Silver and black in color. Just because I think it's gonna match the whole look. That's one hand done. So these two are mid rings actually, and this is like a full ring. That's the other hand. So I've done two rings here and three here. So that's how it looks. So the accessorizing is done. So that's about the accessories. I'll quickly do my hair and I'll be right back. So for my hair, actually, I'll be, just clipping it up with this clip. But then I realized that I have this, thing. I don't know what do I call it, but just like the scarf or something like that, or a necktie probably, which you just tie around the neck. So I just found this, and I thought I'll just put this across the holes from here, and then I'll tie like a bow behind. So this actually looks good. So it will match the outfit because it's got black and white, and so it is out here. So I'm gonna try doing that. That's how it has turned out. So here I am back, and I've just done like center parting and I've kept my hair open. I've done center parting because somewhere it just pushes my hair away from the face, and so the earring shows. So that's how I've done my hair, and this is how it looks from the back. I can't really see the back, but I hope it's looking good. So this is the final look. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, turn the notifications on, and comment down below whatever you liked about this video. And with this, the work series comes to an end, and coming up I have another series in the next video which I'm starting. So in case you want to look more of such office wear series or office wear looks, I have done 9 more videos prior to this, so please go ahead and check those out, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.